Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather Gerhardt, and if you're new, thanks for stopping by. I hope you'll consider subscribing, and if you do, hit that bell so you're notified of every video I post, which happens every Tuesday and Thursday. And we're going to talk about life, about food, about family, about fun, and all the things that affect our lives on a regular basis, so please consider subscribing. Okay, so today we are going to do an Instant Pot pulled pork keto recipe that is so easy, will take no time at all, and you'll think that you've been barbecuing in the winter. Want to know what I mean? Stay tuned and let's do this. I love barbecue, anything that we can throw on the grill outside or in a smoker. It's just heavenly. I love the aroma of it. Everything is great. But some of you may not be able to find your barbecue or smoker because it's covered under a blizzard. Here in North Texas, it is in the 30s, so we're not really outside barbecuing. But sometimes you're kind of hankering for some good pulled pork. Right? So today we're going to do it in an Instant Pot, and it's completely keto friendly, and no one will know that you haven't been outside with some gloves on barbecuing. So let's get into my kitchen and I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay, so what we're doing today is an Instant Pot recipe using a pork shoulder. We're gonna bacon wrap it, we're gonna use liquid smoke, it's gonna be amazing, and then I'm gonna do a keto coleslaw to go along with it. So first what I have is about 4 pounds here of a pork shoulder that I have cut up into doable pieces, if you will, and then I have made a rub that I'm going to put on it. That includes salt, cayenne pepper, liquid smoke, and some garlic, and I've just mixed it all together into a paste. I will have all the measurements in the description box below, so just click on show more and you'll see it down there. So what we're gonna do is just rub it all over these guys, and then we're gonna wrap them in bacon because we're having pork on pork. So liquid smoke is what your best friend is gonna be in the winter, and it already smells like a smokehouse in here. I love it. All right, now that that's mostly rubbed in there, we're going to wrap it in some bacon. So I'm just gonna take some strips of bacon here, and we're just gonna gift wrap this baby. In the meantime, you're gonna wanna put your Instant Pot on saute, because you're gonna saute this to kind of brown it up a little bit before you cook it. The total cooking time once it's sauteed is a couple of hours. It's gonna be 90 minutes in the Instant Pot, and then you have to naturally release the steam, which takes about 20 minutes. Then you'll just shred it and eat. It's pretty quick for a pork shoulder. If you wanna leave it all day, you can put it on the slow cook mode or use a slow cooker and just cook it all day in a slow cooker. That's completely fine. I'm using the thick cut bacon because it just holds together better and it's easier to wrap stuff in, plus it's more bacon. So do I even have to say anything else? My husband is in his office and he's so loud. Doesn't he know I'm filming out here? Okay, these guys are ready. I've got my Instant Pot on saute, and as soon as it is heated up, we're just gonna brown these up just a tiny bit, and then I'll show you what to do with it next. Okay, so what I did is brown it up on each side, then I put them all back in, added a half a cup of water, and then you turn the machine off, then turn it back on to manual for 90 minutes. Keep this in the sealed part, and then let it go, and it's good to go. So I'll see you back in 90 minutes. Okay, while we're waiting, we're gonna make some keto coleslaw. So you're gonna need a half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of salt, some black pepper, a couple dashes of cayenne pepper, spice it up a little bit. And for sweetener today, I'm going to be using some monk fruit. You can use whatever sugar-free sweetener you like. I'm going to mix all of that together. And then we're going to mix it with some coleslaw. And we're just gonna toss this to coat. As soon as that pork is ready, we'll plate it up and give it a taste. Okay, here it is. It has come out of the Instant Pot. I threw it on a sheet pan and stuck it under the broiler for 5 minutes just to crisp up the bacon a little bit. And at this point, you can add 0 carb, sugar-free barbecue sauce, and you can throw it on some low carb bread or keto bread, or you can throw some Frank sauce on this and make a blue cheese coleslaw. That's amazing. Or you can just eat it just like this because it's amazing. So I'm gonna plate it up, show you what it looks like. Okay, here it is. It's amazing. Get yourself some and try it. All right, so I know pulled pork sandwiches are such a great thing, and I have just ordered a new keto-friendly hamburger bun that's supposed to be the best bun on keto ever. So it's coming in the mail. I'm gonna check it out, so stay tuned for future videos because I'm gonna try it with a burger and see if it's actually all that it's cracked up to be and whether or not you should invest in it as well. So that's gonna be coming pretty soon. So don't forget to hit your notification bell and subscribe if you wanna find out if this bun is actually worth the purchase. Otherwise, give this a shot, put it on some low carb bread, throw it on a plate with some of that coleslaw on top. I made that mustard slaw that went with it. So, so good. I'm getting hungry. All right, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if it's helpful, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay inspired. See ya.